How to fix Cinderia is crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties. Now in the launch options box, you want to add -dx11, and then you want to go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up a new browser tab and search for redist, short for redistributables. Open up the first link. Now from the second table here, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installers, both of them. And once it finishes the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now, right after the restart, you will also need to check if you have the latest graphic card driver updates installed. So for NVIDIA, you can use the NVIDIA app, and for AMD, you can use the AMD software, and then go to the drivers section and just check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest one available. Once you're done, all you need to do is open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your Steam library. This should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.